go. Everybody, first round of the day, Nico. Next rider is Mark Bernales. Line up. Okay, here we go, Nico.
Mudah kerjaan agak kurang lah.
Going up. Atras na kamay. Wow. Negotiating the track properly. Right location. Going down to the tree on the bottom side. Little sideways there. Here we go, coming up. Full throttle. Second gear. Here we go. Whoa!
Duh, wago lang dikit ba? Hala ka!
To the water tank. October. Coming around.
Hala.
So far 1 minute. Around that corner. Here we go. He's coming to the finish line. Let's see the time.
Hala ka gababag. Wow, 1 minute and 15.
Thailand! Ay! Ato palagpakan ato. Thailand, what did you say? What's the Thailand? Saudi! Please come. Harbor 990, the round for all-wheel drive. Forward here. Forward. Okay, our next. Forward. Okay. 90s. Ready when you are? Our next in line is Nonin. So, 3, Bernales, 2, on board right now. Next tayo natin kay si Nonin Lim. Timers ha. Next nato is Nonin Lim ha. Ang bilis. Nakabili lang din last week.
Hala ka, grabe ba? Pasayaw-sayaw ba? Ah, grabe ba?
Approaching the Kalisay 3.
No, grabe ba? Hala.
Super sweet.
Grabe ka power ba? Wow! 1 and 13.
1 minute 13 and 30 seconds. 1:13.30. Our next rider, we have Nonin Lim from Cagayan, riding the Pride, the Kia Pride, the legendary Kia Pride. Okay, next rider, we have John Santos on the lining, ano tawag dito? So, John Santos ang next, si Nonin on board. We're ready. That Kia is the pride of Upol. That's a legendary Kia na pang autocross, kayon pang rally naman. Approaching the downhill on the tree side.
Banking ba?
Oh, we have a jeep there. Okay, pasaka na si Nonin Lim.
Hala. Hala ka. Hala. Ala.
Whoa! That corner, technical corner. Okay. Grabe siya ka-tight niya pa. Pagkubisa pag yun. Ay kanya pa, home stretch na.
Wow. 1 minute and 19.
1 minute, 19 seconds and 44 milliseconds. 119.44. Alright, our next. Michael Macaza riding the right-hander. Right-handed feet. That is a Japan car. Wala na siya ma-convert. So he's driving a right-hand drive. So Jeter, please come here on timers area. You need to rerun. Okay, on board right now from Pagadian City. All the riders, give us a little more time. Okay, dadawat ang ato ang SB, wait lang. Kulian ng AGE nga makina. Okay! Okay, that's Raiko Maglasan. Our next driver is Maki Cañete from Iligan. That's a right-hand Honda Fit. So it's approaching the downhill corner on the monkey side area. Going straight, approaching the Talisay tree.
Lo.
To the stop area. It's 54 seconds on that area. So Jeter Imala will rerun later because we didn't catch the last digit of the minute. That's Raiko on the home stretch using the legendary Honda Beat right now.
Woo! 1 minute 20.
1.20.88. 1 minute 20.88. Now we have a driver, Maki Cañete, also from Iligan, driving his Love Life 4AGE. Next driver, we have Igo Malik, home court advantage. Pero naroon lang sa Pilmi sa Damilan. Dito na siya. Ako ang may home court advantage. Tanaw mo ninyo niya, guys. Dito, okay. Ako pinisipan dito eh. Oh, larawan.
Grabe ba?
Ako kayo dito. Puno, tinudluan ako. Eh. Joke lang. Okay lang. Okay, Maki Cañete, approaching with the Talisay tree.
Ala.
Approaching the tank area. Bukas, di na natin makita. Ayun, nasa baba na, paakyat na ulit siya sa hairpin. Kapaakyat. Yun. It's 04 on that area. Going sideways.
1 minute and 15 seconds, point 73.
15 seconds, point 73. 1:15.73. Let's give them a round of applause, Maki Cañete. And next rider, next driver is Pico Malik. Next driver, Pico Malik. Pico Malik, Philippines, Pico Malik. Okay. Pico Malik. Balik na siya sa gamay. Right under. That's right! Wow! Good execution from Enrico Malik. Kasunod sa shigame onto the sweeping right. Wow! Nice kayo! Kasunod sa corner.
Grabe be.
Ang mga gigubaan! Okay. Yes, Enrico Malik. May start number 5. Approaching to that. Ikaw to that. Padong na siya sa sweeping left. Wow! Bomba! Nakadumog si Nico! Katumahi! Ang baba!
La! Allah! Wow! Ay, 1:15
1 minute 50
seconds 28.
28 milliseconds. 1:15.28. John Santos from Davao City. Riding his Wigo. The rally setup Wigo. Timer, are you okay? John Santos on board. Alright. Next, racer. Dudut Montanier from Lanao, Iligan, Cagayan, Daghan din siya kwan. Daghan din siya address. Alright, and now we go back at na. Approaching the downhill corners at may halfway. Good. Okay, we have 5 each per racer. So you have 5 chances. Okay, the Wigo is approaching the tank area. Alright! Pababa na ng off-camber na yan. Tapos approaching the hairpin ba tawag yan? Yan. Alright, the S section.
Leading 1 minute and 13.
Okay, coming to the home stretch. Alright, that is John Santos from
Lo. Grabe pa eh.
Be careful. That is
1 minute and 27 second point 29.
1:27.29. John Santos. If you have some questions right there, you can approach Coach Vic. Next rider is Donald Montanier. Next racer, Donald Montanier from Cagayan, Iligan, Lanao. Riding is Honda City Type C. Our next rider is Jeter. Jeter Ibarra, our next rider. On board right now is Donald Montanier. That is a sleeper car. Hinahinay lang paminawon pero pas-pas kay dagan. Alam natin yung time karon. Approaching the Dalisay area, going to the tank. Oh! Less slide or speed. Alright. So we're Donald Montanier.
Pila na.
Wow, 1:14.
1 minute, 14 seconds,
62.
and 62 milliseconds. 1:14.62. Okay, our next rider. Timer, okay? Okay, our next rider is Jeter Ibarra from Iligan. This guy can fly. This guy can fly because he drives airplanes. He's a pilot. Wait lang. Tabok na. Okay, come on, let's see this. Alright, our next driver is Branko Maglasang. On board is Jeter Ibarra from Iligan, driving this Glanza. It's a JDM car. Wow, what a sweep! Be careful on that area. That's a monkey area right there. There's a lot of monkeys there. Alright, approaching the Talisay. That is Jeter Ibarra. Driver Jeter Ibarra. All drivers must wear a helmet.
Lo. Wow, 14 good
We
bay.
have 1 minute. Oh, 14 seconds. Oh, nangyari doon. Oh, napanin sa too fast. So, he needs to rerun.